Hi, I'm Rich with GMP Performance Detailing, and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesdays. I'm going to talk to you today about our interior cleaning service along with our antimicrobial disinfectant cleaning service. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean this vehicle up with our basic maintenance interior, which is going to include a light vacuum, dusting, getting into all the nooks and crannies with our brushes, getting into all these little tight areas that you see there. And we're gonna add our Tri-Clean. What Tri-Clean is, it is an antibacterial cleaner that actually cleans, disinfects, and deodorizes the whole car. It cleans 99.9% of bacteria, and it also is a true odor remover. It's not a mask. What you'll get is a product that actively reduces the number of microbes in the vehicle. Now, with that being said, you wanna be safe as the car owner. This product is going to clean and disinfect. However, you want to be safe and make sure you're not infecting the vehicle again when you get back in the car. So that means washing your hands, making sure you use gloves. Go into the gas station, you put the gloves in the trash at the pump. Don't get back in the car and drive with your gloves on. Make sure you're doing the things necessary to keep the contaminants out of the car once it's clean. However, with Tri-Clean, with BioCoat, we're gonna make sure you get your vehicle back in a safe and sanitized condition. I'm gonna go ahead and get to work. Make sure, PPE, mask up, and be safe.